Manufacturing processes can be complex and difficult to optimize, but AI is changing that. In this video, we'll explore how AI can help improve manufacturing processes. One of the key areas where AI can be applied is predictive maintenance. AI algorithms can analyze machine data and predict when maintenance is needed, helping to prevent equipment failures and reduce downtime. Quality control is another area where AI can be useful. AI algorithms can analyze data from sensors and cameras to detect defects and improve quality control processes. Production scheduling is another area where AI can be applied. AI algorithms can optimize production schedules and reduce bottlenecks, helping to improve efficiency and reduce costs. In addition, AI can also be used for predictive maintenance of tools and equipment. By analyzing data from sensors and other sources, AI can predict when tools and equipment will need maintenance, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. Finally, AI can also be used to improve supply chain visibility. By analyzing data from sensors and other sources, AI can provide real-time visibility into the supply chain, helping to identify bottlenecks and improve overall efficiency. Overall, AI is a powerful tool for improving manufacturing processes. By leveraging the power of AI, companies can reduce costs, improve efficiency, and stay ahead of the competition in today's data-driven business environment. Thank you for watching.